SpinBend stands for Smart Bio-Inspired Building Envelopes. We are a multidisciplinary team studying in Milan, Italy.
From the beginning, we started to ask ourselves about what can we do, what can we change around us.
How can building facades reduce energy consumption and improve human comfort? What if building skins were like a piece of clothing that changed with the seasons? Innovation at the intersection of smart textiles and digital fabrication could change the way we build in the future. What we ultimately found was that using 3D printing on a pre-stretched textile can generate all sorts of different forms. The 2D print patterns are like DNA, resulting in a huge variety of corresponding 3D shapes. We explored both singular elements and repeating patterns. The adaptive skins of plants and animals served as inspiration, and we succeeded in simulating the movements of the bird of paradise plant and the Venus flytrap.
So imagine this is a module of a facade. One of the biggest challenges of our project is how to make it bigger.
We experimented with different tools and materials and identified several opportunities for economical, large-scale manufacturing. We started to imagine these shapes as shading devices on buildings. With environmental simulations, we were able to show that just a thin layer of textile can significantly improve the performance of a building facade. In the end, though, the SpinBend project isn't just about buildings. It's about a new process of shape-making that could significantly impact many disciplines, from interior design to fashion and beyond.